sun is behind that giant cloud that kind of looks like a salmon slash chicken slash turkey slash 2 turkeys in a row. Yeah, I'm annoyed about that because then I don't get to stand. Because then I don't get to stand in the sun. Anyway. So there's Zeke. Zeke, come over here. There's Zeke. Still trying to get the tractor out. Zeke has mud almost all over him. Pretty much. You want to go home? Okay, then you can run up back to the house. So, yeah. Oh, we cut it. No. Oh, that's not good. Oh, I just hiccuped. Yeah, you can go back. Not in the tractor. Because I'll be, that's it. Bow bow, 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 bow bow. Okay. Oh, Zeke's twerking. Zeke's twerking on the tractor. Oh, shake that booty, shake that booty. Slap. Okay.
Pardon me.
Zeke, you farted. You farted. Stop farting. Stop farting. Okay, now. Hey Zeke, what's the catchphrase? The bird one. That's gross. What's the catchphrase? No. The bird one.
The bird?
The funny bird one. One where it's like, look, there's a flock of.
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see?
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, I'm actually recording.
Don't move. I knew you were. Wait, what are you even recording?
The grass. Dad told me to record that and I'm getting nervous. What? Say it again.
No.
Oh, action's taking. Oh no, action's not taking on.
There's a flock of boobies. To the moon. To the moon.
There's a flock of boobies? Where?
So stupid.
I know. And just so you know, booby is a bird. We're not talking about the inappropriate spot. Just so you know. Someone's coming over.
It's a flock of boobies.
Shake that booty, shake that booty, shake that booty.
I see 150 boobies.
I'm totally posting this on the random spot. It's so funny.
There's 500
Oh, my name is
boobies.
Mr. Bubblegum. Oh! There's action! There's action! There's action going on. There's
There's actual
action.
booby right there.
Where?
It's booby. Booby. Booby.
Where?
It's not the kind of booby.
Wait, what? Zeke! No one's nude here.
It's not the actual breed of bird that's called a booby, but it is a bird.
It's a type of bird called
There's
a booby.
5,000 boobies.
Look. They're getting some from it. Oh
5
no.
million boobies.
Stop saying boobies. Stop it. Oh, that minion thing.
Stop it.
All up in your face. Hey Zeke. What do you call a nosy chili?
Nuz chili.
Nut? No. Jalapeno face! Because jalapeno is a chili. It's like all up in your face, just jalapeno. Ruby?
I said Rosebud.
Ah.
Oh,
Zeke!
good old after gas. Also, no, drink. I'm trying to fart.
Ew! Oh, they're making. Look. Yes! No! Okay, there goes some progress. Stop saying that! Stop it! Stop it!
There is.
Stop it!
But the bird.
Stop it!
But the
Stop! Stop it! Oh, look at that ear. Oh, so dirty, so cool.
Throw a seed at you.
Huh?
Throw a seed at you. Three.
Shake that booty.
Three.
Sorry.
Two.
Oh,
One.
twerk. Yeah. Oh, they're making progress.
That's it.
Maybe, maybe not. No, I can't. You suck even worse, like a leech. Karma. No! Ryan's a rusty toe.
That's a big planet. I think it's called
What planet?
that cloud. I'm pretending it's a planet.
Pardon me. Pardon
No,
me,
I'm pretending that cloud. Wait, no.
Yeah?
Can you mute the thing?
No.
Oh.